DealMachine versus XLeads. Which wholesaling software has the best skip tracing possible? Well, my friend Max Deer did an independent, unbiased assessment of which wholesaling software is the best for skip tracing. And after this new XLeads mega update on their skip tracing, the results shocked me. Crazy. So what I want to do today is react to Max's Deer, his experiment on basically which wholesaling software company is better when it comes to skip tracing. And I want to watch the video. I have not really seen the results. I kind of saw what the end was, but I want to see exactly how he got that and really decide if DealMachine or XLeads has better skip tracing, because there's a brand new update to XLeads where I believe it's the best skip tracing literally ever. And I am biased. I do own XLeads. We are giving away 1,000 free skip traces to literally anybody who wants to use the skip tracing to get the word out. It is now the best in the game. And Max Deer just did a reaction video and decided to see which one is better. DealMachine for 120 bucks or XLeads for 97. So let's go out here and see how he saw what was better.
Software has the better skip tracing in 2026. Is it DealMachine or is it XLeads?
Which one could it be? We're going to see. Let's check it out.
Well, the thing is that DealMachine always had the best skip tracing. For the last year, I've actually been using DealMachine for my own personal wholesaling business to pull all of my lists for my VAs.
Bro, didn't use
And I use
XLeads.
a software like XLeads really for the CRM to do my text blasting.
Yeah, XLeads does have the best CRM texting and calling.
For all that. Shh, don't tell my friend Zach Ginn, but between you and
Bro, what?
me, guys, XLeads skip tracing in the past just wasn't that good. But the thing is, Zach just dropped this video where he said he up and he just fixed XLeads skip tracing.
Bro.
And he says it's better than any skip tracing out there.
Because I'm putting my money where my mouth is. It's true. Basically just won it all. It is legit the best skip tracing you will ever find out of any wholesaling platform.
So today,
W for his editors. That's actually pretty good. Okay.
we're going to settle this debate once and for all. Who has the best skip tracing? Is it still DealMachine or does XLeads actually have the best skip tracing? Well, let's get into it.
By the way, guys, I absolutely love DealMachine. I think DealMachine is an amazing company. And if you want a free trial of the DealMachine, you can use my link, dmzach.com. I think they have different things. I think there's a lot of people that have DealMachine and XLeads, but I do want to just talk about the skip tracing only today.
By the way, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Maximilian Deer. I've wholesaled to test 100.
Max is a great guy. His YouTube channel he should comment below on this and you can check it out.
And we're going to compare the
what hat is he wearing?
phone numbers on XLeads and DealMachine. But before we get started, free. We're just going to square Washington. Let's copy the address. Starting with this.
Wait, how is he figuring it out?
I'm just going to grab some addresses completely at random. Some deals that I've worked on in the past, and we're
okay, they will be in a CRM, so that's good.
just going to compare DealMachine and XLeads. Starting off with this property in the middle of nowhere, Washington. Let's copy the address. Starting with this address. All right, let's
Browserly revealing the address in the video.
load in the DealMachine. I've never had this happen to me before. Okay, it can't find the address. Okay, what about XLeads? I don't know if this is user error or something, guys.
Okay, I mean, I guess XLeads has it.
But it couldn't find the address on DealMachine. So contact information on XLeads, I can tell you this name is correct. And as far as this phone number, it gave us 7 phone numbers, but the first phone number right here, sorry guys, on YouTube, I cannot show you guys the phone number, so you guys are just gonna have to trust me. This phone number is the actual correct phone number. And how I know is I actually bought this lead as a PPL lead, and this is the exact same phone number that this person filled out on the form when they wanted to sell.
I will tell Max though, what's displayed and versus what exports as contact one is going to be different. So when you're using XLeads, what you're going to find is when you export it, it re-skip traces it live. So the results are actually a little better when you export it. He's just going off of what it says, which is good. But if you actually click export, then it actually shows even crazier results.
Their house. All right, let's tally the score right now. We got 1 for XLeads and 0 for DealMachine. Let's keep it going. By the way, guys, I have huge news after should end in a 7-8. So let's see if we get that. Oh, we got Robert. Okay, on DealMachine, we got Robert, and the phone number is, I see here, editor, unblur the last 2 digits. This phone number ends in a 2-1. So not the Robert's
here.
phone number that I got. Now throwing this into XLeads. Let's see what we get. And guys, I'm doing this completely at random. I'm not playing favorites here. All right, we also got a Robert, and this is not the same phone number that I got from the form. And you actually got two phone numbers. One of them's the same one that DealMachine had, and one of them's completely different. I'll call that phone number real quick.
Not in service.
Well, DealMachine, and then let's try the phone number that both of these softwares had.
Hello. We can help you find another business in the area.
I will tell you, if you press export and go to contact one, that the results are actually better, but it's okay. He's doing his own testing.
Both got it wrong. The score still 1-0 XLeads. Let's continue. Oh, I remember talking to this guy.
I think we're going to go with you guys.
That's great. Awesome. Let me get the contract.
One last thing. Your
Plug her on in to DealMachine. We should be looking for a phone number. Let's go. DealMachine bringing it back. They're bringing it back, baby. Now let's see about XLeads. Come on, XLeads. You're going to let him have it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, also the same phone number. That's a tie.
They're the same. Wow. That's crazy.
Both DealMachine.
That's funny that they're same, that what he found the same. I mean, XLeads, like, I mean, we do have a new, really good provider. It's interesting.
Seems like that's usually when the phone numbers are like really, really accurate. And then on DealMachine, when you get likely owner, that's also like when like.
So they both have, okay.
That's the right number. And when
I'm very curious who DealMachine uses for skip tracing, what provider they would use.
There's like moderate or like high usage on the phone number. Make sure to join the world and shitbox in Lackawanna, New York. Throw it in the DealMachine. It's coming up. The phone number should end in a 1-2. Let's see if we see that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yep, the second phone number is correct.
Okay, so I will tell you the scoring, I'm not the biggest on agreement with, because I don't think having the phone number displayed. So on this one, for example, looks like DealMachine, the second one was the right one. And then if you go to X, so for example, right, the second one here on DealMachine was a 1263 Electric Avenue, right? If I go out here, see what it says.
The first one was not, but that's
see the second one doesn't count as a point in my opinion, because the contact one needs to be correct.
Great, dude. DealMachine, good job, dude. There's a reason I've been using DealMachine skip tracing in the past. It's so freaking good, dude. As of right now, like this actually skip tracing is blowing my mind. Okay, it's not finding the property. Maybe because it's Buffalo. Find the property. Yep, it's Buffalo. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got phone numbers and oof. Yeah, we got a wrong phone number there on XLeads. Oof. We got a different phone number entirely? Nah, really?
Let's see. All right, let's do 123 Electric Avenue. I go to contacts, and that 12 is literally right there under DNC. But if you see that the actual right number was like right here, let me show you something really interesting. If we re-skip trace this property, so let's go out here and clear this list. Let's go back to that property, 1263 Electric Avenue. If you go out here, let's add this residential property, and I press export. I'm going to export the lead trace. I guarantee the 12 is going to be contact one. Let's go out here and check it. All right, now we have the property here. Let's just show this really quick. Contact one, as you like, cha-ching. I mean, look at that. Contact one's literally ends in the 12. So I'm telling you right now, he didn't see the second one, so DNC got to click it to reveal it. I don't know how Mac, bro. Max should know how this works, but basically, yes, if you actually click on the address and export it, XLeads should get the point. So whatever. But hey, good job, Max.
The reason I've been using DealMachine phone numbers and phone number entirely.
Bro, he didn't even click
really?
DNC.
This is so interesting. It's completely different. Let's call it and see what happens. Subscribe to my guys. I'm keeping track. My editor's keeping coffee. Life update. Samsung. That's correct. It's the bottom phone number is correct. I repeat, the bottom phone.
Okay, so look, so this 4-1 right here on 516 McDivitt, okay? Let's see what he says, but I guarantee the 516 McDivitt right here, I don't know how he's even scoring this thing, but okay.
Reveal it now. The bottom phone number is correct. I repeat.
So the 4-1.
The bottom phone number is.
So that's contact 3 on DealMachine. So I wouldn't consider that a correct one.
Correct. That's the one I have.
So if I go to 517 McDivitt right here, right? 517 McDivitt right here in Garland, right? I'm going to add this and let's get rid of this one. I'm going to press export this list. Let's look for the 4-1. So you go here and oh, wow. 7-1. Where's the 4-1? 4-1's under the third one. So the 4-1 was the third contact, and on DealMachine, it was the third contact. Interesting. Okay. Let's keep going back to the video.
One right here. I don't know what the heck these phone numbers are, but I'm telling you that one's correct. Now let's throw her on into XLeads. Let's see what we get. Need more caffeine. So the first number was different to that of DealMachine, but yeah, if you guys look closely, yep, this one's correct. The second phone number here is correct. So yeah,
The third one, bro. Okay, he's actually starting to make me crash out right now. If you go here and you just, let's do that. Let me just pop out that property, right? If you go to contacts, he's ignoring that DNC view number. I don't know what he's thinking right now, but you literally got to click it and it opens it up. Holy moly.
Another point for both of them. But guys, I'm just noticing now it's not always the first number that's correct. So don't be scared to call all the phone numbers.
I tried a ton of AI work tools. Then I tried Monday.com. Game over.
Look at this guy. What like the B5 at the end of the phone number. Cannot.
So I'm going to keep going here. He's just comparing numbers. So let's see where he gets at the end here.
Last one for the boys, for all my juggalos and juggalettes.
6 to
this
7.
is Superhuman
Bro,
TV
he's
show.
doing this on purpose. 6, 7.
Got one
6,
more
7.
random
Wow.
property in Pennsylvania. I don't know why I'm getting Pennsylvania deals. This property is rural, in the middle of nowhere. 5 beds, 3 bathrooms. They piss and shit outside. I got a Joe. What else would you expect? This man's name is Joe. All right, come on. Last one. And none of these phone numbers are right. It's like DealMachine ain't getting them on the rural ones, but does XLeads? Oh shit, XLeads got this one. What the? Yo, did I mess that up or is that true? Nah, bro, that's the facts. I don't see a 00. You guys see a 00 here?
No, I don't see a 00.
No 00, editor. Here they got that 00. That's the right phone number. Just for proof, guys, here is my CRM, and you can see.
By the way, the reason why this is very accurate is XLeads has live skip tracing, and he doesn't know how to click the DNC number. I literally click it, open it up.
Right here, the 00. So, yo, that's a point for XLeads and not for DealMachine, guys. I don't know what the final score is. Okay.
So he's 7 to 7 here. Now, one thing I will tell you here is if you actually go to XLeads.com and if you want to actually compare this yourself, I would highly recommend that you get a free trial to DMZach.com. Go to DealMachine, DMZach.com, get a 7-day free trial. And then go to XLeads.com and get a 14-day free trial. See, DealMachine has a 7-day free trial. XLeads has a 14-day free trial. I don't know if you can export properties on DealMachine, but I know on XLeads on the free trial, you can literally go out here and export 1,000 properties for free. Seems like they're very, very similar. Cool. So for anybody that is asking me, Zach, how does XLeads versus DealMachine compare, or DealMachine versus XLeads? I mean, I think this should pretty much be the answer. And if you want to test it out, they both have free trials right there. DMZach.com. I literally have it on the XLeads site because I'm trying to be as unbiased as possible. Go to DMZach.com, test it out, test out XLeads.com, and just test out the skip tracing. Compare the features if you want. I think XLeads has 25,000 exports on the cheapest plan, 97,000. I'm curious how many DealMachine's at. Maybe it's 25,000. Maybe it's less. I mean, I think it was less, but I don't know. We'll check it out. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So for anybody asking DealMachine versus XLeads for skip tracing, I think this answers, in my opinion, who is the best value when it comes to skip tracing. And yeah, pretty interesting. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have DealMachine and you just got an XLeads trial. Compare the skip tracing. Tell me what you think. Is XLeads better? Is DealMachine better? I'm curious to see what you guys think. And like always, guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.